Right, let's look at using the wheel here to add content. So I'm going to double click and we've got the wheel that comes up. I'm going to click on the embed content, and the first thing I want to do is add an embed code for a URL. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to come to one of my videos. So let's click on this one and we're going to click on share. I'm going to copy that link and come back to here. I'm going to paste that into here. That's the video I want. Yes, click insert, and we can insert this. And again, just like before with the pictures, we can scale the handles to make the video be the right proportions that we want it to be on the page. Again, we can move it around, as you can see, and we can position that in the center. So let's have a see what that looks like. It's quite wide. Again, always check what does it look like on the phone version. Scrolling down, there's my video, all looking good. Come back to the wheel again. If you wanted to click on images and add an image, this pops up. This links direct to my Google Drive, so you've got some pictures there I can include if I wanted to. So there's that bolt, we've already done that. We can add a link. If you know a link to an online website, you can use Google Images like we've already done, so like I did with the volcano. And you can also link to your Google Photos if you've got any pictures in Photos. So let's just do Google search. Let's look for, that'll do. We'll just take the logo, click insert, and there's the logo on the page. Now you can also see, you click on it, there's a whole bunch of other things that come up. So let's have a look through this. Alt text, which is a good thing to do. That just means if somebody's doesn't want to load pictures, you can tell them what it is. So you can call it a Maserati.